Hello everyone. I believe that I am a good candidate for the Mars One project, and I'm about to list off a plethora of reasons why. Number 1, I am in peak physical condition. Number 2, I am a great listener. Number 3, I am a leader of men and women. And on Mars, there's a limited amount of oxygen we can take with us. Want to see me hold my breath?
2 hours later.
My ability to hold my breath will save us a lot of money. Where an average human consumes 30,000 gallons of oxygen per year, I only consume 200. This equates to 29,800 gallons saved per year. Just a monetary asset. I'm also a world-renowned people person. Often people who are facing conflict come to seek my aid.
I'm so conflicted. I can't open this orange juice.
Here you go, Sam.
David, you're the man.
As you can see, that situation was quite intense. I stayed calm, I assessed the situation, and then I made the best course of action to help the group. Not only am I comfortable under intense situations, I thrive under the pressure, pushing my group to their limits to do the best job that they possibly can do. One way to make the group succeed is to be very assertive. Let them know what tasks they have to do when the situation gets tough, so that under that pressure they can concentrate on the task and get it done. I believe that I am a good candidate for the Mars One project, and I'm about to list off a plethora of reasons why.
That's what I thought.
Not only am I a great leader, I also have a very personal connection to Mars. My little Sparky was only 12 months old when he was chosen to do the Mars Zero project. He was the first cat to leave Earth and land successfully on Mars to start his own civilization. Now you can see he is doing well.
There isn't a millisecond that doesn't go by that I don't think about him.
Every night, I look up to the sky, and I know Sparky's there. Sure, I have the qualifications to go to Mars, but don't do it for me. Do it for Sparky. Meow.